Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create an Instagram account in 2020. If you're new to Instagram or just want to have a second account or want to start over all again, this tutorial is for you. So keep watching and you will know how to create an account. Okay, so basically if you're new to Instagram, just download the app and open it up, and it will immediately say create new account or login, and you just want to click on create new account, of course. But if you already have an account, you just want to click on the top at your name and click on add account at the bottom. And you can either choose log into existing account or create a new account, and we want to create a new account, of course. And then you will end up on this page right here, and you need to choose a username. I'm just gonna fill in something random real quick because it's not an account I'm actually gonna use, of course, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm just gonna choose this username real quick. And as you can see on the right, it will show up like a green checkmark icon, and that means your username is valid and you can use it. So just click on next. And for the people that are new to Instagram and are just creating their first account, this page won't show up. But if you already have an account, this will show up. And what this means is that these accounts are all different email addresses, and you can connect for multiple accounts on one email address. So you can choose that, but you can also just choose to sign up with a separate email address or phone number. And you can choose that for yourself, but I'm just gonna sign in with email address or phone number. And then right here you'll end up on this page, and you can either choose your phone number or email address. I just like to use my email address, but you can also choose your phone number, of course. So I'm just gonna fill in my email address, and once you've done that, you just want to click on next right here. And you will get a code on your Gmail in this case, or your Outlook or anything, and you want to fill in that code to verify that it is your email address, and then continue. And once you have gotten that code into your email, you just want to fill it in right here and click on next. And right here you want to create your password. So I'm gonna create one right now, and then I'll see you after that. And once you have created your password, it will say welcome to Instagram and then your username, and click on complete sign up. And you can do all these kinds of stuff, but you don't have to, so I'm just gonna skip them. Skip, and click on next. And this is your account, and of course you have 0 followers, 0 following, so right here nothing will show up. But that's basically it. That's how you create an Instagram account in 2020. I hope this video helped you out, and please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.